Expanding linear expressions. Now sometimes we can have brackets within an expression, such as 3 and in brackets x minus 5. If we remove those brackets, we're said to be expanding them. Now what 3x minus 5 means is 3 lots of x minus 5. So we've got 1x minus 5, and we've got another x minus 5, and another x minus 5. You can probably see there we're going to have 3 x's and a minus 15. Now there's another way of doing this. We can also use the fact that everything inside the bracket is multiplied by 3. So let's look at examples how we do this. So expand and simplify the following. First one, 5 and then brackets a plus 4. So we could think of it as a plus 4 and a plus 4 and a plus 4 and a plus 4 5 times. But obviously the bigger the number is, the longer it's going to take us. But what we can also do is think of it as we've got 5 lots of a, so that would be 5a. And we've got 5 lots of the plus 4, which would be plus 20. So 5 and then in brackets a plus 4 can be expanded to 5a plus 20. Next one's slightly more complicated because we've got 2 brackets to expand. So using the same idea, first one we've got 4b, and we'll have plus 8. For the second one, same idea, we'll have 3b and minus 6. We can simplify that now because we've got 4b and 3b, which add together to give 7b. And we've got plus 8 minus 6, which would leave us with plus 2. Next one may not look harder, but it's going to be a little bit tricky because there's an extra minus thrown in. We'll see what happens in a second. So again, the first bracket is the same as before. We've got 2c and plus 12. But for this one, because it's a minus, we have to think about minus 3 being the number we're multiplying everything by. So we've got minus 3c. And tricky now, I've got to think back to topic 1 on negative numbers. We've got minus 3 times minus 3, which makes this plus 9. So that's a tricky one there because you've got the 2 minuses thrown in. And again, as with b, 2c take away 3c is going to leave us with negative 1c, but remember in algebra we don't write the 1. And plus 12 plus 9 leaves us with plus 21. Okay, let's do some more. A little bit different these, because instead of a number outside we've got a letter. So for a, we're expanding x and then in brackets x plus 2. Well, we use the same idea as before. We want to do x times x. Now think about indices. X times x is the same as x squared. And then x times plus 2 will give us plus 2x. Let's do another one. So I've got x and 5x. If we times those together, we'll have 5x squared. And x times minus 1 will be minus 1x, or just minus x. And finally, the most tricky one to end with, because this one's got numbers and letters out the front. So we're starting with 2x times 3x. We would do this, do the numbers first. Well, 2 times 3 will give us 6, and x times x gives us x squared. Again, we do the front times the 4y, so 2x times 4y. Do the numbers first. 2 times 4 gives you plus 8. And x times y, we can't really simplify any further than just leaving it as xy.